Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth audio to your Ford Fusion. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your car's display. From there, you'll want to select the option to add device or Bluetooth devices to begin the pairing process. This sets the stage for a seamless audio experience. Once you've accessed the Bluetooth menu, select Add a Bluetooth device on your sync screen. Now, on your phone, search for available Bluetooth devices and select Sync when it appears. Both your phone and the car's display will show a 6-digit PIN. Confirm that these numbers match, then press OK or Pair on your phone to complete the connection. You're almost ready to enjoy your music wirelessly. With your device successfully paired, it's time to play some audio. On your Ford Fusion Sync system, select Bluetooth audio as your media source. Then, simply start playing music or any audio from your phone, and it should come through your car's speakers. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the sync system. Also, ensure your phone's volume is turned up to an audible level. Your Ford Fusion Sync system can store up to 12 different Bluetooth devices, offering great flexibility. To disconnect or remove a device, simply go back to the Bluetooth menu and select Delete Device. For the best performance and compatibility, always keep your phone's operating system and apps updated. Remember, a USB connection can also provide charging and an alternative high-quality audio input if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.